So this is the mount itself. We have the anti-vibration module, also some accessories that were included in the box. So the most important part that we need is the mount itself and the vibration module. So what we're gonna do is just remove this one Allen bolt here, which is the normal phone holder. We're gonna replace the anti-vibration module, which will stick right here. So let's do that now. So after that, we'll need to find the correct adapter, which will go here and will attach to the handlebar. So in my case, I will choose the thickest one, which has a writing here, the measurement, it's 0.875. So in my case, I have a 22mm handlebar. So this will be the correct sizing, and I will be attaching here on the left hand side. So firstly, I will be putting the said attachment around the handlebar, like that. After that, you can remove the bolt which sits here, so the bracket can fully open and can go around the handlebar. Put it on top of the reducer that we just attached, like so. Just put the bolt back in and tighten it. So one last thing to do is readjust this anti-vibration module and make it look straight, so it will look towards the key instead of how I did it, which looks to the left. So to do that, just loosen the middle Allen key. You don't need to fully remove it, just undo it until you can turn the module like so. So this is now straight. Tighten it back up. So once you put the phone case on your phone, you will match these notches at the back here. So put it straight on and turn it. This will lock it into place. So it's a good idea to carry an Allen key with you, just in case you need to turn the orientation of the module or the phone. Lastly, what I'm gonna do is pass this lightning cable. So under the seat here, we have a USB socket. I'm just gonna plug that in and pass the cable under the fuel tank. So that was easier than expected, and I'm already finished. So what I did, just plug in the USB cable, pass the cable all the way through here, under the tank, all the way under here. So I removed this piece of plastic trim here. You can see the cable is this one. I used the existing rubber cable ties to hold the lightning cable also. Then I just passed it over here behind the headlight under the speedometer. There is sort of a small gap here that the cable fits in. Then all the way up here near the keyhole, and I just stopped it here. So it's barely visible. I just used the existing rubber cable tie and just held it here. So just in case I need any charging now, just put in the phone, lock it, grab the cable, and just attach it to your phone. That's all. It looks pretty neat also, doesn't show really that much. Probably if you get a 90-degree lightning cable, it's much better due to this bend over here. So that is all for this video. Make sure that whatever ecosystem you choose, such as a SP Connect or Quad Lock, and if you have other bikes like me, you will need to buy adapters for your other bikes also to attach your phone. So on my X-Max, I have this type of phone mount, which is, you know, the cheaper type of mounts that you can find on eBay and AliExpress. And after using that phone mount for quite some time, this is what happens to your camera. It sort of messes up the autofocus and image stabilization, and it does that magnetic sound, as you can hear. So yeah, if you have three bikes like me, it's gonna be a costly option when going for these types of phone mounts. So yeah, that is something that you need to consider when buying these types of mounts. And that's basically it. If you have any question regarding this mount, please leave a comment. I will try to answer you as best as I could, and I will see you in the next one.